No matter where you're traveling, your trip will be that much better if you're properly caffeinated. Unfortunately, it's not always easy to find quality coffee, plus in many places in Europe or the USA, it'll cost you a pretty penny if you're always buying coffee from cafes. Adding a coffee maker to your travel gear collection is one of the best decisions you can make. There are many products available to choose from best travel coffee maker, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best travel coffee maker from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. AeroPress Coffee and Espresso Maker. Since appearing on the market, this handheld espresso maker has quickly become a favorite among coffee lovers. Actual press time only takes about 20 seconds, so it's ideal if you're in a hurry. One press makes 1-3 cups of espresso or coffee, and a microfilter means you shouldn't get any residue in your cup. Brewed with a total immersion process, get prepared for some of the best coffee you'll ever taste. You can even get this amazing portable espresso maker with a zippered nylon tote bag, which makes it super easy to travel with. With a height of less than 12 inches and a width of less than 5 inches, you can even store it in one of the side pockets of your travel backpack. What makes it even better for traveling is that the chamber is self-cleaning. It should come as no surprise that this is the best travel coffee maker available. Number 2. Espro Travel Coffee Press. The design of this sleek travel mug is only the beginning of why it's ranked as the best rated coffee maker. The insulated, stainless steel, double-walled bottle has no problem keeping your drinks hot while you're exploring a new city or hiking a new trail. It makes 10 ounces of coffee at a time, but the travel mug stores 15 ounces of coffee. What makes this travel mug coffee maker truly unique is the fact that it has a patented double microfilter. This means you can get the bold flavor you love without the extra grounds hanging out in your mug. And not to worry, the lid is leak-proof. So whether you're going skiing in Austria or cycling in Taiwan, you can sip your coffee in style without worrying about spills. Number 3. Presso Maijo Single Cup Coffee Maker. If you're a minimalist camper who doesn't like to travel with much more than their backpacking hammock and the necessities, but you still need your cup of joe in the morning, then this is the best portable coffee maker for you. The best thing about this coffee maker is it gives you the benefit of being able to make a single cup of coffee without the price tag of brands like Keurig. You can use K-cups in this coffee maker, but you also have the freedom to brew your own favorite blend. Once you have the K-cup or your favorite coffee grounds in place, it's as easy as filling the water reservoir, attaching it, then brewing. You can brew 10 8 or 6 ounce cups of coffee directly into a cup or into your favorite travel mug. It's hard not to love the Presto Single Cup Coffee Maker. Number 4. Bialetti Milka Express Espresso Maker. Bialetti has given millions of people the privilege of tasting perfect Italian coffee since the 1950s. While its unique 8-sided shape isn't always the best for backpacking, it sure will enhance your coffee. Take your pick of a 1369 or 12 cup model that will give you rich espresso in less than 5 minutes. It's as simple as adding water, coffee, and heat then enjoying. Let's face it, a delicious cup of Italian coffee when you're traveling through Venice or a similar city can be quite expensive. The Bialetti Milka Express lets you bring deliciousness into the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Handpresso Hybrid Espresso Machine. The Handpresso Wild Hybrid guarantees you'll never have to start your day without an espresso again. The water reservoir is 50 milliliters, and you can add preloaded pods or your own espresso grounds. After everything's in place, just pump it like you would a bike pump. It can generate 232 psi, which is nearly double the typical psi required for making espresso. The slim design makes traveling with the Handpresso a breeze. If you're no stranger to early morning adventures, then you should really consider getting a Handpresso or two. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.